Hi, this is Sharon, the Busy Coupon Bee, and I want to show you my haul today from Rite Aid and from Harris Teeter. I normally shop at CVS, but I saw in the circular this week that they were giving away free toothpaste. Well, they weren't giving it away, but they might as well have been, because after my coupons and Ups rewards, my toothpaste was free. Each of these toothpaste, Colgate Total, the original price was $3.50. You buy one tube of toothpaste for $3.50, and I had a $1 coupon off of two. Can you see that? Uh-oh. $1 coupon off. Well, I'll take my word for it. It's $1 off of two Colgate toothpaste. Any Colgate toothpaste. So, but the Up Rewards was only on Total and the Sensitive. And I don't use the Sensitive. I like the Total Advanced. It's fine. After the Up Rewards and my 50-cent coupon off of each one of these, it ended up being free. Now, I did have to pay out of pocket $12.84. But at the end of the transaction, I got a whole slew of Up Rewards to use on my next purchase. Each one of them, I got 4 $3 coupons. 4 $3 coupons off my next purchase. That means $12. The next time I go into Rite Aid, I can take $12 off my purchase. I can't wait to see what's on sale next week. Then, here's what I got from Harris Teeter. This week, Harris Teeter had super doubles. That meant that they would double any coupon with a face value up to $2. They would double that up to $4. So if you had a $1.75 coupon, it would double it up to $3.50. If you had a $2 coupon, it would double it up to $4. And that really made for some really great shopping. First, this cereal was tied to my eVic, and this is one of my favorite cereals, Raisin Bran Crunch. And it was supposed to be $1.97, but with my eVic card, it was $1.97, and then I had a $1 coupon that doubled to $2, and that brought each box down to 97 cents. $1 off of two, doubled to $2, that meant $1 off of each box. So my limit was 4, and I got 4 boxes. Then I had a Febreze coupon for $1 off of each of these bottles, and that meant that each of these was 99 cents. This Air Effects, each one was 99 cents. The Dawn was free because it was on sale for 99 cents. I had a 50-cent coupon that doubled to $1, and so I got each of these bottles for free. The Febreze, this is the Set and Refresh. You just set it on your countertop or wherever you want to put it. Probably in a small area, like a small powder room. That's where I'm going to use it. And you don't have to plug it in anywhere. And that was 99 cents a piece. They were normally $2.99, but I had a $1 coupon off of each one, and it doubled to $2, so they made each of those 99 cents. My hot sauce, not that I need more hot sauce. I have more hot sauce than hot sauce has. And this was $1.49, and I had a 75-cent coupon that doubled to $1.50, and it made that free. Then I had a $1.75 coupon off of 2 bottles of McCormick spices. And so what I did was I went down the McCormick aisle to see which spices were least expensive and or on sale. And it happens that the paprika was $2.25 for that little bottle. Ooh, I would never pay $2.25 for that, but anyway, it was $2.25. And the other McCormick spices were, how much were those? Those were $3.39 a piece. After my coupon, I paid 64 cents a piece for these right here. And these are the Perfect Pinch Salad Supreme spices. I love these because it helps me not use salt on my salads. And then the this one right here, this one was 50 cents. It ended up being 50 cents. This is about what it's worth. But I love paprika anyway. Then the Activia was supposed to be $2.69 for 4 of these, and I ended up paying 69 cents for 4 because I had a $1 coupon that doubled to 2, and it left 69 cents. What's the bottom line? Well, the bottom line is, oh, not quite the bottom line, is that I paid $60.08. I would have paid $60.08. That was my grand total for all of this. $60.08. When I scanned my card, my Harris Teeter card, it brought it down to $41.40. That's before coupons. After coupons, it came to $8.49. So I got all of this for $8.49 for a savings of 86%. But like they say on those infomercials, but wait. I also ended up with 2 Catalinas. $1 off of 1 box of whole grain wheat thins, and another $1 coupon off my next purchase of Nectrice, natural no-calorie sweetener. And I'll probably use this really because my husband is diabetic, and this will be great to help keep him away from the sugar. Of course, I didn't get everything I wanted because some of the shelves had already been emptied. But you know what? I love empty shelves because I can get rain checks. And that's exactly what I did. I got 4 rain checks. I can have a sale anytime I get a coupon. I love this. That's why I love shopping Super Doubles, the Harris Teeter. And I love my free Colgate toothpaste from CVS. This is Sharon, the busy coupon bee. Ooh, been shopping.